Dear students, today I will discuss with you how to score high marks in mathematics. Mathematics is a subject where majority of the students find it difficult, isn't it? Why? What's the reason? Because they are not learning mathematics in a proper way. Some of them are afraid of mathematics. Therefore, I will show you within a certain steps how to learn mathematics easily. Okay, and score high marks in mathematics. I will discuss with you step 1. Understand the concept and study. That is the first step. In understanding the concept, you have to follow the following method. Number 1, read the topic which you need to study several times. To understand the concept clearly. When you read once, you will not understand. You can repeat it 2 or 3 times. After that, you will getting an idea of the concept clearly. While reading, if any doubts arise, you should clear the doubts and then study. You can ask your teachers or your classmates, or you can clear the doubts yourself also by reading it again and again. Then you can clear the doubts and then study. That is the next step. Next, number 3, don't try to memorize without understanding the concept. Certain students study by heart. That's not the way. You should understand the concept. Don't memorize without understanding the concept. Okay, then the next point is studying in this way will help you to recollect the ideas. When asked for the exam, you will be able to write all the formulas clearly. Now step 2 is how to memorize the concepts easily. You know, mathematics is a subject with lots of formulas, the identities, theorems, axioms, etc. You have to study. First of all, you should write down all the important formulae, identity, etc. in a notebook. Then you read it daily. 2 or 3 times you can read it daily. After that, after reading it a few days, you will find that you will be able to memorize all the important results and you will be able to recollect easily for the examination. Okay, that is the next step 2. Now we can move on to step 3. What should you do in step 3? Mathematics, you score high marks in mathematics by doing the problems. Majority are problems. You have to solve the problems correctly. Then only you will get the marks. Okay, that is, when a problem is given to you, when you are facing a problem for the examination, first of all, read the problem carefully and analyze the problem. What's given in the question, what you are asked to find out, all those. That is, read the question carefully and try to understand each and every information and terms mentioned in the problem. In this way, by carefully understanding the problem, you will get an idea of the information given in the question and the method to be adopted for solving the question. Then, use the statement of the problem to find an equation or an inequality that relates to the variables you seek using the quantities known in the question. Okay. And finally, in step 4, you have to solve and check the answer. After analyzing the question carefully, you will be able to write an equation, and using that equation you will be able to solve the equation. Sometimes an equation, or in other ways it can be an inequality with the variables concerned. Then carefully analyzing and understanding the question helps you to solve the question. After solving, what should you do? You can try to check the answers. That is, by substitute the answer in the relevant formula or the equation you have obtained, and check whether the answer satisfies the concerned equation or formula. By learning mathematics in this way and solving the problems as mentioned in the above steps, you will get high marks in mathematics and you will find it very easy to learn mathematics. Okay, try this method, you will definitely get high marks. Okay.